Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Don't Starve together on mobile. This fantastic survival game allows you to team up with friends and face the wilderness together. You can connect with up to 5 other players, making a total of 6 survivors in one world. Working as a team is crucial for gathering vital resources, building a base, and enduring the challenging seasons. Get ready to explore, craft, and fight for your lives in this unique experience. To start your own multiplayer adventure, first open Don't Starve together on your mobile device. From the main menu, simply select the Host Game option. Here, you can customize your world settings, choosing things like the difficulty level and the starting season. Remember to set a unique server name and a password if you want to restrict access to your friends. Once everything looks good, confirm your choices to launch the server and invite your fellow survivors. If a friend is already hosting a game, joining them is straightforward. From the main menu, select the Join Game option to view a list of available servers. You can then search for your friend's specific server name. If the host has set a password, make sure to enter it correctly to gain access. Once connected, you'll choose your preferred character and jump right into their world, ready to help them survive the wilderness. Surviving together requires excellent teamwork and communication. Always talk to your teammates about what resources you need or any dangers you encounter. Consider assigning roles, such as one person focusing on gathering food, another on building structures, and a third on combat. Sharing essential items and food is vital for everyone's well-being. Building a strong, central base together will provide a safe haven and help manage your shared resources efficiently throughout your adventures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.